It's been nearly a week since Hurricane Ian slammed into the southwest coast of Florida. Communities are still dealing with power outages and downed trees as residents begin to pick up the pieces. We go back live now to Port Charlotte, Florida. That's where WFXR's David DeGuzman is. David, what's the recovery process looking like down there?
Yeah, Kathleen, it's looking like a really long road to recovery here in this community. It's not necessarily how damaged the homes are, but just how widespread it is throughout Port Charlotte. Take a look behind me. You can probably see there's a tree down right in front of this house, and we've seen scenes like this throughout this community. We've seen street signs bent by the powerful winds of Hurricane Ian. We've also seen power lines down, mailboxes damaged as well, but relief is finally starting to arrive here in this community. And even before the main caravan of God's Pit crew got here, we saw volunteers already out surveying the damage, offering to help those who needed trees removed from rooftops and providing hope to these residents, some of which still waiting for power to return. We rode along with a survey team. That's where we met Arlene Gaffey. She's dealing with a palm tree that fell on her house, and that palm tree has very special significance to her.
Just all of our yards were so beautiful, and now they all look horrible. I mean, we didn't have a lot. I just had a new roof put on, and so my house is okay, and I have impact windows, so they're fine, but everything is such a mess. That Bismarck palm is what my husband gave me for my 50th birthday. He passed away, so now that's like his last thing that he gave me, that it's gone now. I really appreciate you guys more than you know, so thank you.
Yeah. It was really more of a calling, I think. You really get blessed just by going on these trips, the people you meet, the stories you hear of what they've been through.
Yeah, you know, this is just one of many stories we're starting to learn. The crazy thing is that this is not the most damaged area of Florida. It's just what we found just by walking down the street and getting a ride along. We're going to show you some more of what we found with that survey team coming up on WFXR News first at 10. For now, reporting live in Port Charlotte, Florida, David DeGuzman, WFXR News.